The Orlando, Florida West-South Lake Supercharger, or sorry, West Sand Lake Supercharger. It's a decent one. It's right in the middle of everything. It's right next to Universal, and it's close to Disney. I've enjoyed it in the past. A lot of the Orlando chargers are at Wawa gas stations. So you've got a overnight restroom, you've got a hot meal, you've got a convenience store, and the other cool thing about them is most of them are in strip malls that have very late open restaurants and shopping. So you can get some souvenirs or get a good bite to eat. Now, I'm going to speed this up because we're in the middle of rush hour, and we'll catch you at the Supercharger unless I see something really interesting to tell you. If I could ever train this camera not to look at the other camera. I find it pretty easy to enter over here by the window and go through their traffic circle if there's too much traffic, but it's at the Wawa, so if you can get there easily, just turn right here. Watch for cross traffic. This 8-stall charger has one pull-in, is right at the Wawa, and you don't smell too many gas fumes or anything. You do see a lot of Ubers though. And the layout is the typical way for Tesla, with the A's and B's right next to each other. So you're looking right next to you to determine if you're sharing a charge with anybody. The restrooms are in the back, like the last Wawa I showed you. In the rush hour, I'm not going to take the stick camera in there. It would draw a little bit of attention, but it's got a sign over it that says restrooms. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside, take care of some stuff, and then we're going to come back and give you the score. Catch you on the flip side. Another benefit of the gas station superchargers is you get to use a gas station squeegees. So on a long, bug-ridden trip, you can clean off your windows. Okay, so we're still at the West Sand Lake Supercharger, and I've noticed that the 1A and 1B are the only two spots that are not shared charging. So all the other spots are 15-minute shared parking for general use. And this is also the second Wawa I've seen on this trip where they have a new sandwich board that says 40-minute maximum. Like so. At the West Sand Lake Supercharger in Orlando, Florida, I'm going to rate it an 8 because the gas station's open all night. There's plenty to do as far as like this little strip mall area. You've got, I think, 1 or 2 hotels, a bunch of late night restaurants, and there's even a all-night Walgreens, I believe it is. Could be CVS. It's not CVS. Either way, it's a drugstore. It's open 24 hours. So you can always buy what you need from there. It's like one of the larger drugstores that has like a grocery store inside, like a mini grocery store. So you can get what you need for that. The convenience store in the Wawa. The Wawa's got hot, fresh food. So I give this an 8 out of 10. The drugstore at the West Sand Lake Supercharger, I recommend that if you're going to get souvenirs from there, or that you're going to get souvenirs and you got to stop there, consider their drugstore because they have a lot of officially licensed Disney and other products, and the prices are phenomenally low compared to the parks. So there's a tip for you.